Alright guys, today is the day that we have been prepping for about a week now because we are getting our very special delivery. Kaufman Builders reached out to us a few weeks ago about collaborating on an outbuilding for our property. Our firewood and outdoor storage solution was less than ideal, and after a few conversations they designed us our dream shed. Before we knew it, our shed was done, which meant we had to whip our road into shape. A break in weather gave us the perfect opportunity, so we got to work. If you want to check out the full video of getting our road ready, we've made that available to our Patreon members. We sent Jason pictures of the road and he assured us that he has never not been able to get a shed somewhere. So we are about to put his equipment to the test and hopefully by the end of today we have a shed up at our shop. I actually don't think I can call this a shed because it is way too beautiful to call a shed. Firewood? Inside storage?
So we've been doing all this clearing because our road is not meant for something this big. This shed is 10 feet wide, 20 feet long. It's 12 feet wide at the eaves.
Oh boy.
And are we crazy? We're gonna try to get this thing all the way up our road.
He's chaining up the truck right now. We're gonna get it as far as we can and then we'll unload it and tow it up the hill. So we just drove Jason and his wife Jen up to the property in our truck and they scoped it out and he thinks we're gonna make this happen. He chained up the rear outers and then the inners have like those rapid deploy chains that just go out and then spin around. All right, we've got the truck chained up and they are gonna give it their all. Woo, baby! We made it! He threw a chain, but he got the chain back on and we are onwards.
I love getting to watch cool equipment do things. And this specialty equipment for moving sheds is the coolest thing I've seen in a long time. He's remotely controlling both the trailer and the little push mule all at the same time. Now we're going to attempt to pull this thing all the way up the road to our house. There's a remote control shed following us.
This is the coolest thing ever. All right, we're gonna turn the shed around now. He has a lot more traction going up hills when he's pushing with it, so we're gonna get it turned around and then we're gonna head up our first steep section. That is amazing.
We're now into probably the narrowest section of the entire road. There was just nowhere for us to put all this snow, and it got really tight in here. Go ahead and back up. We're going to hitch the truck up to the shed and you're just going to give it as easy of a pull as you possibly can. This is hairpin turn number 1. We are officially through the first really difficult spot, leaving only one steep hill to go. This is absolutely amazing. Jason at Kaufman Builders is absolutely crushing this delivery. He is a total pro, and even this really difficult job he is facing with a smile. So thank you so much, Jason. Apparently I missed those ones yesterday. Courtney said she's over it, so she's leaving.
Okay, I need to chime in on this one because I promise you I was not abandoning them. I just had to go to the bathroom so bad and I needed a little bit of privacy.
All right, excavator is staged at the top of the hill just in case it needs to help pull. And I can already hear them at the bottom of the hill. He already got the shed turned around. How did he do that so fast?
Slow and steady. I'm nervous. It's a lot of pressure on me to do a good job.
You're doing an excellent. It's working. Whoa, whoa!
I can't believe that worked! Woo! I still can't believe it's up here.
How did that happen?
How did you do that? That is amazing.
One thing I know, we need one of these. And we also need one of those to operate it.
We made it back down the road. They're getting their equipment loaded up and they're headed home because they have a long drive.
I can't believe that was as successful as it was.
Holy cow, you guys, there is a shed in our yard.
That is an excellent end to a long day after a very long week of getting ready for this moment.
Today went really well. I'm pretty shocked by how easily Jason was able to get this shed up here.
Honestly, there were like no problems. We just towed this shed right on up. It was amazing. I'm just so excited that this thing made it up here without any major issues, and it was a really fun, really long day after the end of a very long week.
I'm tired. I think we're gonna go hang out by the fire and celebrate a win. Buying a shed wasn't part of our original plan, but if we've learned anything on this mountain, it's that nothing goes according to plan. And during winter, we had no idea how precious outdoor storage would be. This shed is going to keep our firewood dry, protect our tools, and allow us to focus on building our home. Thank you so much to the Kaufmans for going above and beyond to make this shed a reality, even in the dead of winter. So, are we crazy?